Hey guys, it's Cecily. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a DIY shea butter that I have absolutely been loving for my hair. You just want to get some 100% natural shea butter. I'm using the Shea Moisture brand. And the way to know if it's 100% natural, it'll be nice and soft and easy to scoop up. And now we're going to be doing the double boiler method. You're just going to get your bowl of shea butter and just put it over a pot of boiling water. And now you don't want to put this in the microwave because it will take away some of the nutrients, and we do want to get all of the benefits that we can out of our shea butter. Then you just want to let your shea butter sit and melt. It took my shea butter about 10 to 15 minutes to melt into liquid form. Okay, so now I'm going to add some of my favorite oils to my shea butter, and depending on if this is for your hair or skin, you would take away or add some of your favorite oils. And this is black Jamaican castor oil, and I don't think you want to add that if you're using this shea butter for your skin because you will be a hairy fur ball. Now I'm going to add some argan oil, which is great for softening and hydrating your hair, and it's going to help to restore shine. And I'm going to add about 1 mg of tea tree oil, and for whatever reason I added shea oil in my shea butter. Like, why? I'm going to add about 2 mgs of jojoba oil. This is one of the closest oils that our hair and skin naturally makes. Then you just want to whip it all up, yeah. Oh, whip it all up, yeah. Oh, whip it all up, yeah. Oh, whip. No, I'm just kidding. But just mix it up real good, you know. So now just pop your shea butter mixture into the freezer for about 10 or 15 minutes until it has like a solid layer on the top of it. So now you just want to mix up your shea butter really good, and you will need a mixer for this for sure to get it really nicely whipped up and everything. And it is really thick, so it may start to get stuck up in your little mixing blades or whatever you call them. So you just want to add whatever oil you choose, and that'll help to soften everything up and just make it blend together so much better, and it'll be so much more fluffy. So I'm literally watching this back and I'm like, I absolutely know that I did not think that this was cake batter for a minute and eat this. I know you guys just saw me go from my mouth. Once your shea butter has basically doubled in size and it's all nicely whipped up to your liking, I wanted mine to still be really thick and buttery for my hair. So this was perfect for me. But you guys, this shea butter has been working so amazing for my braid outs and twist outs. I'll insert a clip right here. Like, so much definition, and has been lasting for so long. Like, I'm in love with shea butter now. You just want to store your shea butter in a nice little mason jar or container, and all of this shea butter is literally going to last you a very long time. A little bit really does go a long way. So the shea butter basically turns into oil form once you kind of rub it together in your hands, and it's just so buttery and hydrating, and it just gives me amazing shine. Like, look at that. Yes, honey. So that's it for this video, folks. I really hope you enjoyed this DIY as much as I did filming it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe, turn on your notifications if you haven't already. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.